Hello, and what a day it has been. We had some great successes in the class and also some things that Miss Bates is going to tweak for tomorrow to make it better. Thank you all for your patience and your dedication to helping your students be successful this year. It's a lot different than in years past, and there's going to be a lot of obstacles. Technology, not understanding where to click on, but we will make the best of it together. Something that I would like you to review with your student in person with them before tomorrow's class is the understanding of how to toggle back and forth between our Google Classroom as well as Google Meets. So when they log into Google Classroom, this is what they'll see. Up top is Miss Bates, third grade. And then down here is our Google Meet link. This is a go-to place to be able to see face-to-face instruction as well as see all their friends. In the mornings, they're going to click on this button, and also whenever we come back from recess, from specials, we end the class every time, and then we'll go back into here. Another technology issue is I will have to figure out how to get my face back on here. We are all learning together. So one of the things that students had trouble with is understanding that up in the top of the screen, they're able to toggle back and forth between Google Meet and Google Classroom. Google Meet and Google Classroom. So Meet is where they're going to be able to see me face to face, receive live instruction, and see my shared screens. When I need them to go to Google Classroom, they're going to click over here. Tomorrow I have them going over to Google Classroom a couple of times. Here, they're able to see a live stream of anything that we post. If they click over in the classwork tab, the very first thing they'll see is week 1 of instruction, and I'll post things in there in the future. There's not much in there right now. And then the resources tab. The technology help desk is here for you in case you need help with technology. Something's not working right and it's during a live classroom. Call this number and they'll be able to help you get logged in. You can also submit tickets if it's at night and you're trying to troubleshoot, you can do that as well. I'll have them log in to Imagine Math tomorrow. So they simply click on Imagine Math, click on the link, and it brings them to the screen that they're very familiar with on how to log in. Please practice with your students how to toggle between Google Classroom and Google Meet. And if you could just show them each of the tabs, we have done it numerous times in class. However, it's not the same as being in person. And it seems that no matter how many times I share my screen, they really need somebody to point where that is at on their screen. So if you can help them understand that tonight, that would be great. Thank you so much for your support at home. You're doing a great job.